Everyone seems to have their own method to lose weight. Exercising regularly and eating healthy can help us prevent weight gain. However, it's often the small things that we eat or things that we do that play a significant role to add those pounds. In today's video, we'll explore 10 bad habits that may be the little things that are keeping most people from losing weight. Number 1. Eating your meal before going to bed. It is most likely the main reason that adds weight. When we eat our dinner late at night, not because we are hungry, but because it's our habit to eat late at night. You need to keep track of all you eat at bedtime for a week to notice a pattern. What you are consuming, eating something sweet and high in calories. If you feel you must eat something at night, eat fruit or something light. Number 2. Eating excessive salt. You need to watch the quantity of salt in your food. Too much salt isn't good for your weight, but it can also cause fluid retention. Too much salt has a negative impact on your blood pressure, which eventually results in weight gain. If the flavor is what you are looking for, try other ways to spice up your meal. Number 3. Eating while preoccupied. Pay attention while you are eating. Laying down on the couch to watch TV after a long day can be relaxing. And eating while relaxed without paying attention to what you are consuming could lead to weight gain. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition conducted a study that revealed distractions result in a person eating 50% more calories. Just make sure the next time you sit down to relax with your laptop or TV, don't add snacks. Number 4. Stress and anxiety. These two words are your worst enemies. They can increase your weight and damage your quality of life easily. When we experience these feelings, we try to tackle emotional hunger by eating more. We immediately try to get relieved from this distress by eating sweets or junk food. These are indeed serious issues, but if you must eat, try to first consume a piece of fruit with water or tea. Are you enjoying the video? Then please, give it a like and share it with your friends to support the channel. Number 5. Eating quickly. Our generation lives in a mobile society and we are always in a hurry. We eat on the run and eating quickly leads to poor digestion. Sometimes we don't take time to chew our food properly. If we chew our food properly, we would be more satisfied by feeling full. It generally takes 20 minutes to eat, if we chew each bite slowly. Chew your food properly to get the nutrition contained in your food. Number 6. Skipping breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It is important to manage time to grab something on your way out the door to school, work, or your daily activities in the morning. Most of the dietitians and healthcare workers agree that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. The food we eat in the morning activates our metabolism. And once that metabolism is turned on, it tends to stay powered up all day. It's almost impossible to burn calories without a good metabolism rate. You should include proteins, a small portion of healthy fat, and combined complex carbohydrates in your breakfast. Number 7. Being inactive. It is important to burn some calories every day. Being sedentary is one of the major factors in the global epidemic of obesity. When we sit, we eat. Then fat begins to accumulate around our midsections of the body and we aren't so eager to get involved in any kind of physical activity. Make any kind of a goal to avoid too much idleness and you'll be able to shed those extra pounds easily. Number 8. Sleeping poorly. Sleeping at a scheduled time every day should enhance your sleep. If you don't have any fixed time to go to bed, your body may get out of sync. This creates hormonal imbalances that make you feel hungry even if you are full. Do not sleep more or less than required. Shoot for an average of 6 to 7 hours of sleep per night. Number 9. Not consuming enough liquids. Our internal body parts like the kidney, gut and many others have difficulty performing properly when they don't get enough water. Not drinking enough liquids leads to the accumulation of toxins. It is important to drink at least 2 liters of water daily to stay hydrated. This will help us to excrete waste from our body easily and also prevent excess fluid buildup. One way to stay hydrated is to drink tea or natural fruit juices. You can find various fruits that are rich in natural juices. We have discussed fruits rich in vitamins, minerals, and liquid in our other videos also. There are different carbonated beverages that are not a good source of fluid found in the market. They are high in sugar, which leads to weight gain. Avoid those types of beverages completely. Number 10. Not getting tested. In spite of the fact that you may get tested for high cholesterol or diabetes annually, doctors don't typically test or look for physical signs of nutritional deficiencies, which can be dangerous. Not getting enough vitamin and nutritional value from the food may increase the risk of heart disease and gain weight. Ask your doctor to check if there is any deficiency in vitamins or nutrition in your body. Did you like learning which 10 bad habits that you must break that make you fat? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Check out our other videos to follow a healthy lifestyle and see how your body feels healthier and stronger.